Kindle Translate can create a new language edition in hours. One repeated term can still be wrong on every page. The safe move is simple. Check the translation before you publish it. Kindle Translate is Amazon's AI translation service for eligible KDP ebooks. It creates a formatted language edition from a live sourcebook. The service is still an invite-only beta. Use 3 questions before you begin. Is the book eligible? Is the writing suitable for automatic translation? Did a fluent person check the risky parts? The first yes is only the starting point. Kindle Translate only appears for invited, eligible KDP ebooks. Your source ebook must already be live. Pre-orders are not eligible. If Amazon has invited that book, the translation option appears beside the title. The ebook must be reflowable, so readers can resize the text. Current source languages are English, French, German, Italian, Portuguese, and Spanish. Translation pairs run between English and the other 5. The source cannot already be a translation. Public domain books are excluded. The ebook also needs a cover and a named author or contributor. Processing after publication can take up to 72 hours. Some books give automatic translation a simpler job. Standard prose, dialogue, business books, and direct instructions are the safer fit. They still need review. Mark this kind of content green on your worksheet. Technical terms, poetry, wordplay, and cultural references need more care. Text inside images is not translated. Book subtitles are not translated either. Mark these passages amber or red before you start. Picture a sourdough guide with simple steps and 12 photos. The prose may be green. Oven labels inside images are red. A pun-filled chapter title is amber. Translate the prose, then rebuild or review the risky parts. Before reviewing an AI book translation, list every term that must stay consistent. Include names, brands, recipes, technical phrases, and units. This glossary is your checking sheet. It is not a Kindle Translate input. Check the opening page, 1 dialogue scene, 1 term-heavy section, and 1 chapter ending. Add any page with numbers, measurements, or links. These samples expose different kinds of mistakes. Send the source passage, translated passage, and glossary to a fluent reviewer. Ask 3 questions. Is the meaning accurate? Does it sound natural? Are the fixed terms consistent? If all samples pass, inspect the rest for repeated terms and formatting. If one problem repeats, search the whole book for it. If meaning keeps changing, stop and use a professional translator or editor. Preview the translated book before publishing. Check chapter starts, contents links, paragraph breaks, images, and the final page. Amazon holds translations to the same content quality rules as the source ebook. Kindle Translate uses details from the source ebook. You cannot edit those details independently. The default cover adds a white border and language label. Review a custom cover after any source title change. Automatic future languages require worldwide rights. They can also create a duplicate if another translation exists. If an external AI tool created a translation, KDP's current rule requires AI-generated content disclosure. Publish only when eligibility, glossary, sample review, preview, cover, rights, and disclosure all pass. Fix a limited problem when you can identify it. Stop when a fluent reviewer cannot trust the meaning. The button creates a translation. Your checks decide whether it is ready. Automated can help prepare the sourcebook and files. Next, use the full KDP walkthrough to finish the publishing setup.